Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share screen on YouTube live stream. So first you need to download OBS Studio. Once you download that, so here you can see that I'm currently recording with the help of OBS Studio. So first you need to click on this plus icon and create a scene, and now you can see that I am on the scene, and here you can see that a scene is created, and then you simply need to click here, and here you can see different options. You simply need to select the display capture and click on OK, and now it is capturing my display and I hope you can see it. So once it is done, you simply need to go and open YouTube. So make sure you open YouTube here. So once YouTube is open, here you can see click on this create and click on go live, and you can find a key here. So I want to start now. Go. Okay, so I want to block, close it. So let me allow it. Click on start, click on go, and I will do it. Let me do this. Make it private because I want not share this. I'm only showing you the demonstration what you need to follow, and click on OK, and you need to click on go live. So got it. So then you need to go onto the stream, and once you are here you can see your stream key that you need to copy. Then you need to go back. Here you need to click on file, and here you can see different options. Go into the settings, and here you can see stream, select YouTube, and here you simply need to click on your stream key, remove that, paste that key here, click on apply and click on OK. So this is the process how you can share screen on YouTube live stream. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.